All right, let's just get this out of the way right now. If you feel broke, like emotionally broke, financially confused, bank account screaming at you broke, this episode is for you.
And before anyone panics, feeling broke doesn't mean you are bad with money.
It usually just means nobody sat you down and said, hey, here's how this actually works.
Exactly. So today we're talking about why you feel broke, even when you're working, trying, and doing your best.
Let me paint a picture. Payday hits, you feel rich for about 6 hours.
And then suddenly your money disappears like it joined the witness protection program.
Jokingly, you check your account and go, wait, who is Netflix and why do they keep charging me?
And that's the first reason people feel broke. Money is leaving quietly.
Bills, subscriptions, little charges. It's not one big thing. It's death by 1,000 $12.99s.
Most people don't feel broke because they overspend wildly. They feel broke because they don't see where their money is going.
Here's something nobody tells you. You can make decent money and still feel broke.
Because money isn't just about how much comes in, it's about when it goes out.
Rent is like, I want all of it immediately.
Meanwhile, your paycheck is like, I'll see you in 2 weeks.
So you're stuck juggling bills like a financial circus act.
That constant catching up feeling, that's what drains people emotionally.
Let's talk about the elephant in the room, social media.
Ah, yes, where everyone is somehow traveling, shopping, and investing at the same time.
Meanwhile, you're like, should I buy groceries or gas?
Comparison creates a false broke feeling.
Inefficiently because you're comparing your real life to someone else's highlight reel, plus credit cards.
Most people you think are doing better are just financing the illusion.
Here's the big one. Nobody taught us a system.
We were taught how to work, we were taught how to spend.
But not how to organize money.
So people feel broke because everything feels chaotic.
Money chaos feels like failure, even when it's really just lack of structure.
And structure doesn't mean restriction, it means clarity.
Important distinction time.
Distinguishing feeling broke is emotional. Being broke is temporary.
Feeling broke sounds like, I can't get ahead, I'm always behind, I'll never catch up.
But most people aren't doomed, they're just overwhelmed.
And overwhelmed people don't make great financial decisions.
Which is why the first step isn't making more money.
It's making money make sense.
If you're listening to this and thinking, okay, that's me, what do I do?
Relax, nobody's asking you to fix your entire life today.
Start with awareness. Just seeing the full picture changes everything.
That's why we always say clarity first, change later.
Concluding, one small step done consistently beats panic-driven overhauls every time.
If you feel broke right now, financially or mentally, you are not behind.
You're just at the beginning of understanding something you were never taught.
And once money makes sense, that constant stress starts to quiet down.
You don't need perfection, you just need a starting point.
And hey, if this episode made you feel even a little less alone,
Concluding, that's progress.
we'll see you in the next one.